Hey, this is Michelle, and I'm going to do an unboxing of a subscription box from Your Creative Studio, and they sent this to me to do an unboxing, and it's a monthly subscription, and it has a vintage theme, and I haven't opened it yet, but I did go back and look at some other months, some previous months, and they have some really neat stuff with really cute packaging, so I'm kind of excited to see what it is. Okay, so I opened the box and I looked at everything, but I didn't do a very good job explaining anything because I was too excited about the packaging and looking at everything. So I'm going to go back through it. I'm going to show you everything. Then I'm going to open everything and show you what was inside of it so that you don't have to hear me opening all this crinkly stuff. Unless you like it. In that case, I apologize. But anyhow, it came with this little card. There's so many sweet touches in here. So it comes with some washi tape. And like I said, I'm going to open these off camera. Looks like, so it shows what's in each package on the outside. So there's 4 little deer stamp, and like I said, the packaging is amazing. So I'm going to keep all of these and use them. Another stamp, and again, this is a picture. I'll show you after I open it. And then a big deer. Some sticky notes, like post-it notes. And that has the same deer on it. I believe that's the same deer. Nope, it's a different deer, but. And a bookmark. And these say vintage stickers. And it's like in a little matchbox. And these are little note cards. Some stamps. Tags. And then these are like tissue stickers, tissue paper stickers. So again, I'll open all these. Some ferns. There's a better way to do this. And these are it's like transparent stickers. These are the tissue stickers. And then I think these are like washi. This is like washi paper. Oh, it's like a sheet of washi paper. Oh no, they're stickers. And more deer. So the theme is deer, obviously, which is perfect for November. I'm from Michigan, and hunting, deer hunting is huge there. So these are vellum sheets. So pretty. Okay, so I'm going to open this stuff and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the bookmark. It's magnet. And then it has the little deer that sticks up. Super cute. And then these are the stamps. This is the first one. And again, these bags are so cute. And then this is the second one. And then these are the others that I'm going to put on this paper. So these would be neat like for a background, like a far away or like a landscape with these in the background if you don't want to have to try and draw them. And then this is the little notepad, and they're almost like little labels. I love the dot paper. So there's lines, another type of label. Can you see that? The dot paper. And then another type of label. And then these are the little stickers, the vintage stickers in the Matchbox. And these are so neat. There are so many. So there's like several of each one. I think this one got out of order. It did. Well, yep, it did. So like a bunch of little vintage tickets. These are neat. And they're stickers. In all colors. I love these vintage colors. Parisian. So many. And then some, this is the washi tape. Hopefully you can see it. So there's deer, and then it's got like newspaper print in the background. Very pretty. And then these are the sticky notes. They're all the same, but there's a lot of them. Super cute. And the tags. And these are also all the same. But they're really thick. And there's, again, quite so many of them. And then the stamps, again, like so many of them. So there's several of each one, or a couple of each one. Looks like maybe 2 of each. But if you don't like one, there's certainly lots more to choose from. Even these little cards, like how cute. And these are the like tissue paper stickers. And there's several to choose from. These are like washi stickers. This reminds me of the washi tape, but they're stickers. And then these are the transparent stickers, the ferns. And then all this vellum paper. I love that it looks worn. It really does have a real vintagey feel to it. Or I mean look to it. And feel. And I'll have a link for this down below in the description if you're interested. So I am going to take all of this stuff, pick out a few pieces, and just do a quick journal page with it, so you can see how maybe if you don't typically layer things like beautifully on a page and you're a little messier like me, you can see how you can still use these type of items. So anyhow, I'll be right back. So since it's Christmas and I love this little deer theme, I think it's masculine and I thought it would work perfectly for a present for my husband. And I have all this craft paper because I really love it, and that's what I bought this year to wrap presents. So I thought this would make a perfect tag. I just backed it on some craft cardstock, and then I'm just cutting it down to look like the tag. And these are perfect. This would take no time at all to make a bunch of tags up. These are just little tiny scraps of material. There's a piece of walnut ink dyed fabric and a piece of denim and then a piece of a doily and a wooden button. And I just stitched them all together really messily. And then that's just a piece of walnut ink dyed material, a strip of it ripped, and some twine that I'm using in the top of the tag. And then I'm going to attach that little material and button bit just to kind of dress it up a little bit. And so I'm just sewing that on with the needle and thread. And Then after I'm done with this, I'm going to go ahead and create a journal page just because I love the items so much and I wanted to play with those two and show you how I would use those in a journal spread and how I will use those. So yeah, I included that as well. I'm going to play some music just so I don't talk throughout the whole thing. And then I will come back in at the end and talk some more about what I created.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Ooh.
So I'm just about done with this spread, and I'm just putting down some black gesso to put my found words on. And then I'm just going to add some black splatters and pretty much call this page done. This came together so easily, and you get so many things for the price. Plus, who doesn't love a surprise? So check out their website, and also there are lots of unboxing videos on YouTube if you're interested in seeing previous months. They change their themes each month, so that will give you an opportunity to see what some of the past themes were. Anyhow, thank you so much, Your Creative Studio. I really had fun with your products, and there's some great items in there, and I think everyone would enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your week. And here are some stills so you can see the finished product.